In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Wix. Whether you're building a brand new site or just making a few design tweaks, knowing how to quickly resize an image can make your pages look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your site open in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, navigate to the page where the image you want to resize is located. Take a moment to let everything load so you can clearly see all of your elements on the page. Now, find the image you want to adjust. To begin resizing, simply click on the image once. When you click it, you'll see a selection box appear around it. This box will have small circles or handles along the edges and corners. These circles are what you'll use to resize the image. To change the size, move your mouse over one of those circles and click and hold your mouse button. While holding down the button, drag the circle in or out. Dragging it inward will make the image smaller, and dragging it outward will make the image larger. As you drag, you'll see the image change size in real time, so you can stop as soon as it looks right to you. For a more balanced and professional look, it's usually best to drag from one of the corner circles. This helps keep the image's proportions the same, so it doesn't look stretched or squashed. If you drag from a side circle instead, the image may become too wide or too tall, so use that only if you intentionally want that effect. While you're resizing, pay attention to how the image fits with the other elements on your page, like text boxes, buttons, and other images. Try to keep enough white space around the image so the layout doesn't feel crowded. You can always click and drag the entire image to reposition it after you've set the size. When you're happy with the new size, simply release your mouse button. The editor will keep the image at that size. Don't forget to use the preview option to see how it will look on the live site, and when everything feels right, hit save and then publish to make your changes visible to visitors.